test drive the 2019 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Thinking about purchasing or leasing a car from Scott Robinson? Did you know that your new car is covered with a complimentary lifetime limited powertrain warranty? This is not just the manufacturer's warranty. This is something we bring you exclusively at Scott Robinson Chrysler. We call it the Scott Robinson Advantage. You see, we want a customer for life, so this is included at no extra charge. You're covered for as long as you own the vehicle. Thank you for choosing Scott Robinson.